Hey, what's up, guys? It's Big Man Savage today. I'm back with another Nintendo Switch unboxing, and today I have Salt and Sanctuary. Got this today in the mail from Amazon, guys. It does include a two-sided poster, an adventurer's manual, and original soundtrack download code. So it is a download code, no physical soundtrack in here, guys. I'll show it to you in just a second. Just a quick look at the box. Got to save my little sticker here. You guys know me. I'm going to save them when I can. This one took me a while, but I finally got it. These things are super glued on here nowadays. But this game is, everyone calls it a two-dimensional Dark Souls, so I'm expecting a tough game. Besides that, I really don't know a whole lot about it, so I just want to open the game up for you guys and not really try to explain too much about the gameplay because I really couldn't tell you. I just know the graphics look really cool, as the artwork, as you can see on the front of the cover here, really cool looking. I guess that's like a knight or whoever your character is. Looks really cool though. And that's kind of what really drew me to this game, just watching the videos of it. And as you guys know, it's been out for quite a while. I think it released originally on the Xbox 360. I could be wrong about that, but I think that's right. So it's been out a while, and but the graphics, the art style, everything looks really cool. And I believe it's all hand drawn, so that makes it even better in my opinion. I love the fact that somebody or a group of people, whatever, I don't know the development team, but they actually took the time to draw all of this stuff, and it just makes it even better in my opinion. So expecting a tough game, but let's get it open, guys. First thing you'll notice is a nice looks like a huge world map there on the inner cover. I thought it was supposed to come with like a actual cloth map or something, but maybe they changed the design at the last minute of the release. I know Limited Run Games did a release also. You might want to check into their release. I was just trying to save some money though and grab this one with my Amazon Prime discount. So you do get an instruction book, and then here's a poster, and I'll unfold that here in a second. And the original soundtrack there. Had to cover my code up so I wouldn't give that away. But here's a little bit closer look of the map on the inside cover. And like I said, I don't know a lot about the game. The glare's kind of killing it though. Let's just get this pulled out here for you guys so you can see it a little bit better. But I'll just try to take my time, guys, and show you in the best detail that I can. Like, I like to take my time doing these unboxings because I know when I watch them, guys, I may have mentioned this already before, but I kind of get my train of thought lost. But I may have mentioned it before. I like to take my time and really just go through every little detail so I can show you guys what you're getting with your hard-earned cash. That's what I look for when I watch unboxing videos. So it looks like a list of all the different locations inside the world there. So that's the two-sided poster you get. And let's see. Here's the booklet itself. I'm going to take my time with this, guys, and kind of go through every little page like I usually like to do. So if you guys want to pause the video at any time, and you can kind of read it. I'll try to keep it focused enough to where you could read it word for word if you want. I'll try to keep my fat fingers out of the way. But really going to take my time on this part, guys. So sorry if there's a lot of dead audio, but just want to do it for you guys. You can feel free to fast forward through this part if you don't really want to take the time to see it all. And I'm pretty sure I showed the cartridge. I don't know. I'm watching this doing a voiceover myself right now, so hopefully I showed you guys the cartridge because I usually like to do that. I think I did. But just try to read some of this stuff too as I'm flipping through, just to fill in some audio here. but I don't really know what I'm talking about with any of this stuff. So if you guys are fans of the game, you probably could just pause it and read and get a lot more out of it than what I could tell you. Stone statues. I don't know what this stuff's talking about, but the artwork looks cool. Stone blacksmith, stone guide, stone merchant, stone sellsword, tree of skill. I guess this works with like a skill tree where you can branch different paths and have different abilities. Not going to pretend I know anything about it, guys. I'll keep saying it. Besides the crazy over-the-top blood and gore and dark atmosphere, that's about all I know about this game. That's what kind of drew me to it, with the hand-drawn graphics and everything. Looks pretty awesome. There's a bunch of their weapons. I believe that's a shield. Yep, shields. Kind of hard to see, but it looks like your character's crouched down behind a shield there. And just different items, armor, gloves, and boots. Spells mean prayers, incantations. Can't wait to try the game out. Just to get it like a official opinion about the game. But like I said, all the videos I've been watching looks pretty awesome. Really tried to take my time on this page. Got a soft spot in my heart for little animals. So that was pretty cool to see their pets here at the very last couple of pages. So that's like a thank you letter to the fans. If you guys want to pause it, like I said, you can read all that. Little puppy dog and kitty cats. Again, sorry guys for the dead audio and the length of the instruction book section here. Like I said, I just like to let you guys see every little thing. But that's everything you get, guys. The download code, the instruction booklet, or the two-sided poster, the instruction booklet, and the cartridge itself. And that's Salt and Sanctuary, guys. Oh yeah, and the insert on the map. Oh yeah, got my little sticker there. Stick it on the inside seal. But that's Salt and Sanctuary, guys. And I appreciate you guys watching. If you like the video, please, guys, give me a thumbs up. And please subscribe if you haven't already, guys. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.